A very good morning, BBPians. How are you all? All fine. Stay home. Be safe, children. Now, class third, children. What we discussed in previous class? We discussed chapter number first. That is noun. In proper noun, common noun, collective noun. Understood, students? And uncountable noun, countable noun. All of you understood now? Now, in today's class, class third, we discuss chapter number second. That is the noun gender. Understood? There are lots of nouns words we can understand. Now take out all of you book, page number 6, chapter number 2. Take out your grammar book. Now see what is noun in gender. The word gender refers to male sex, female sex, or to either of the two. Means childrens, there are gender refers to, that is male and female. Male means purush, female means three. Understood now? What is male and female? And there are lots of naming word noun words that is either of both. Understood? वो दोनों के लिए भी यूज किया जाता है. Understood, children? Now see kinds of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender, common gender. Children, now we discuss briefly what is masculine gender, what is feminine gender, what is neuter gender, and what is common gender. First of all, we discuss what is masculine gender, children. Now, children, see here what is masculine gender. A noun which belongs to the male sex are said to be of the masculine gender. The noun which belongs to male sex, it is known as masculine gender. Understood? For example, boy belongs to masculine, man belongs to masculine gender, husband belongs to masculine, ox, king, etc. These words belongs to masculine gender. Now children, what is feminine gender? A noun which belongs to male sex are said to be the feminine gender. Means in masculine way belongs to male, in feminine way belongs to female. Understood, students? Now see here example: boy in masculine, girl in feminine, man in masculine, woman in feminine. So wife, cow, queen, etc. All of you understood now what is masculine and what is feminine? Children, we understood. Do one activity at your home, not at school, because in this time you stay home. So one activity you have to do. There are lots of family members in your family now. Now activity of masculine and feminine gender we done at home. So collect all the members together and divide feminine gender and masculine gender. Understood? There are something that your grandparents, your grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, if you live in joint family, so collect them all and divide them in a masculine and feminine. Understood? And write the names of your family members in masculine and feminine. Understood this activity? So it is very interesting that activity all of you done at your home, na children? Very good. All of you done, and see, and you also understand what is masculine and what is feminine. Now see our next topic, children, that is neuter gender. All of you understood now masculine and feminine. Now see what is neuter gender, children? A noun which belongs to non-living thing, object, things without life. It is neither male or female are said to be of neuter gender. Mean children, what is the neuter gender? Neuter gender belongs to non-living thing. They are not male, they are not female. This belongs to neuter gender. Means without life, without non-living. See na, without life, without non-living, those things which are non-living. So these comes to in the neuter gender. Example, see, table. It is living thing? No, it is non-living thing. Book, it is also neuter. Pan is also neuter, and this is stick which I teach you. This is also known as neuter gender. Come in neuter gender because they are non-living. Understood? So pencil, car, etc. These words comes to in neuter gender, children. Now what is common gender, children? The noun which belongs to either a male or a female is said to be of common gender. Means जो मेल के लिए भी बिलोंग करते हैं एंड फीमेल के लिए भी बिलोंग करते हैं, दे कम्स टू इन common gender children. Understood? Now see what is common. Now see here, baby, a small baby, maybe you're a girl, maybe you're a boy. So baby word is come into an common gender. Now children, see students. In class there are lots of student children. In your class also there are lots of male masculine gender also and feminine. Girls bhi hai, boys bhi hai. So student words comes to in common gender. It is very easy to find the word genders. Students, now friend. You are lots of friends. You are friends with your male portion or a female portion. Understood? आपके boys भी friend है और girls भी friend है, तो they comes in a common gender. Now see neighbors. Where you have lived, there are lots of male neighbors and female neighbors, students. So these neighbors comes to an common gender children. Now next proceed. Now students, if we are lots of things are confusion what is male and female. Now see some pairs of masculine and feminine gender we have written here. Now understood what is masculine, how to change masculine to feminine. Clear student? Now see there are lots of procedures we change masculine to feminine. Now see children, first word is actor. There are lots of rules to change masculine to feminine, but in this we also discuss only masculine words and how to change it feminine words. Now what is masculine of actor word is actress. We add ESS, okay, and we cross the word O. So these actor makes feminine actress. Now see prince, princess, man, woman, hero, heroine, king, queen, lord, lady, uncle, aunt, bull, cow. There are lots of animals name which comes in masculine and feminine. Lots of names of animals that comes in masculine. Now see here, feminine masculine of cow is bull, and fox, vixen, dog, bitch, horse, mare, lion, lioness. Clear students? All of you understood this masculine and feminine, how to change masculine and feminine. Now next proceed our next topic, that is neuter gender things without life. Though there are lots of names which comes in neuter, this names is known as, this word is known as without life. Those things which have no life, this is known as neuter. Now see tree also comes in neuter gender. ठीक है? Now table we are also discussed in few minutes ago. Now box we also known as comes in neuter. Book, lamp, house, milk, car. Clear children? Now see common, that comes in both male and female part. Now see child may be or a masculine or feminine, okay na? Now friend we also discussed few minutes ago. Now what is baby? Baby also come in masculine and feminine. Student, we have discussed parents. Your mother and father. Parents are two types, mother and father. Mother is feminine and father is masculine. Now driver may be or a male portion or female. Officers, servant, judge, manager, doctor or doctor may be male doctor or female doctor, persons. Understood children? Now all of you understood what is gender and kinds of gender. Today's class we discuss kinds of gender. First is masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Understood children? Now learn, read chapter number 2 from your book and understand what is masculine, feminine, common, neuter. Understood students? If any doubt please ask me, or if students, if you teach the lesson, so write your names. When you join the class, you write your names. Understood students? All of you understood? Now today's homework, read chapter number 2. In next video we discuss our next topic. Till then, bye student, be safe.